So, what does rewards on your terms really mean? Exactly what you'd expect, and maybe a little more. You use your Zions bank card to make purchases and earn points on every dollar spent. Then, you can use your points to help pay for those purchases. Here's how it works. Start by logging in to your Zions Bank online banking account. Select your credit card account. Click Card Transactions, and then click on Rewards. From there, you'll be taken to your Rewards homepage, where you can see available points, review your redemption history, and of course, redeem points. Click on Redeem Points and you'll see a list of all eligible transactions from the last 90 days. Simply choose which purchase you'd like to redeem your points toward. Read and accept the terms and conditions and click Redeem. That's it. You can apply points for the exact amount or a portion of any eligible purchase. It's all up to you. A statement credit will appear on your account within 3 to 5 business days. That is rewards on your terms. To learn more, stop by your local Zions Bank branch today.